Hello, everybody. You could call me Hunch. That's Mr. Tubbs and Mr. Tyrone. Tyrone being the little bit bigger one. He's on a diet. Don't worry about him. I know everyone here watching this channel is health conscientious. Let's dive on in. I'm going to be talking about why I think DeFi will finally make a comeback. Just to reiterate what kind of happened, DeFi exploded about a year and a half ago, right? Big names like Av kind of took off. And then it's for the last year and a half, it's just been dead and dying down. This can be seen in the Av chart. It went all the way up to like 400 or maybe even 600 bucks and then dropped all the way back into the low 200s. It's starting to make a little comeback. Now, do I think the best opportunity is in Av? No. The majority of Av's run where you make massive gains are over. Now, Av may be a good business. It may be a good token for long term, but why not just buy Bitcoin, right? If it's just going to go up at a normal return. If you're going to play altcoins, might as well play for big returns, right? Or because you love a business or whatever. That's fine too. I'm not judging. Anyway, when Av first came out, right, it kind of dropped, right? And then it went on this huge parabolic rise, right? Okay. Like absolutely bananas. Okay. Now, this is the DIKO chart, which is Arkadiko Finance. If you don't know them, go look up them. Basically, they're like a swap. They have self-repaying loans. They're a DeFi on the Stacks platform, right? USDA, staking, they're DEX. They have governance with it, right? All the things that Av is kind of doing. You know, Av probably has more features because it's a little older, right? But the market caps between these two are just flabbergasting. If I recall correctly, DIKO is at like 30-something million, right? And Av is in the billions, right? So the risk reward between these two things are just so high, right? Av could continue to go up or it could crash. I mean, there's so much competition. So if there's a high beta, right, or risk for DeFi, regardless, why not just play the lower cap thing? And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to acquire some DIKO over the next year and a half. Hopefully, if Bitcoin starts going again, DeFi picks up again, right? Because now DeFi is on Bitcoin through Stacks. They have the RSK network. Hopefully this time, instead of ETH DeFi, Bitcoin DeFi goes, right? And how am I going to apply that? Arkadiko DIKO, right? If Alex Go has a coin, I'm going to play that. I'm going to stay away from the ETH ones. Maybe, you know, I know Ribbon's been popping off, but I just am not in the ETH ecosystem like I am the Bitcoin ecosystem, right? And if you just go follow their Twitter, right, they got their banner is self-repaying loans, right? They say Arkadiko just stacked an additional 1.5 million stacks, right? Go check the Stacks network, make sure it's growing, make sure it's more is being staked, etc. This is how I'm going to play DeFi right now if it's going to take off. I'm going to continue to support the Bitcoin network. I'm a Bitcoin kind of maxi because I have an end game in mind, right? I don't think ETH is going to get us where we want to be. I think Bitcoin is going to do it. So I have no problem supporting Bitcoin initiatives. Okay. Now you can call me Hunch. Let's get it.